To remove the blade from your compound mitre saw, obviously you will need the power off, posi drive screwdriver, your Allen key and a pair of gloves when handling the blade. Firstly, if you undo the link arm with your posi drive screwdriver, remove the screw, let the arm just rest down the bottom. Undo the screw at the back of this metal plate. Like so. And then hold back the release latch, lift the guard and pull down, and that allows the guard to be rotated around and it sits there so you can work on the blade with a glove. If you push in the spindle lock at the side here on the motor with your Allen key and in a clockwise direction remove the bolt. You can do this by hand. And then with your glove remove the blade. And putting a new blade on, that is just reversing the process. Very simple. Blade on, flange on, in an anti-clockwise direction. So with a left hand thread, put the bolt on again. Hold in the spindle lock at the back, and with the Allen key lock the blade bolt. Rotate the guard round, line up the hole, and insert the screw. Didn't have the holes lined up. And then put the link arm screw back on again. There we go, job done.